Welcome back to my channel, back with another video. Before we dive in, just real quick, do me the favor, smash the like button. It helps me a lot. It helps me being recommended to and seen by other people. It helps tremendously with the algorithm. So I would really appreciate that. Also, if you do like the content, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button, hit all so that you get notified whenever I drop new videos. Now, without any further ado, let's just dive right in. I want to start with the weekly chart, because the weekly chart is simply the most important and most reliable chart. And yeah, we're still pretty bullish. Nothing has changed on that front. If you let me zoom in a little, you can see we had two candles in a row that closed above the previous resistance. But not only that, we also closed above this previous resistance here from back at the end of May 2022. So basically, this is bringing us back to a price level that we haven't seen in, a year. Now, we have to get a bit higher from here. We basically have to cross the 31,700, 800 to cross into this big gap here where there's no resistance. And if we do manage to do that, then the upside is tremendous, and we would shoot right up to 36,000-ish. Okay, so that's one thing. Then also we have this cup and handle here, which is also a bullish signal, obviously. So yes, I want to show you that, but let me go to the daily chart now to zoom in a bit more. Now, as you guys can see, we have on the one hand, we have this channel here, but we also have this upward tilted bull flag, if you will. Now, we did cross out of the bull flag, but we did keep the support here around the $30,000 mark. So that's pretty good. We bounced off that. Now, I was saying yesterday, these are the price levels to watch. I could imagine that we could, we could come down here and turn this resistance, this resistance into support, which is also in the golden zone between a 382 and a 618 fib. But as things look right now, the stochastic RSI is actually coming down and it's about to reset. So maybe we actually hold here and we could just, keep going up and eventually push through this. Now, there's one more thing I would like to show you, and this is, let me close this for a moment and let me make this a bit bigger. Now, I want to show you one thing. If you look at what happened on the stochastic RSI, I basically saw that there's a bearish divergence. Now, if you compare the price yesterday to the price, let's say on the 21st, we see that not the stochastic, sorry, but the RSI rather. We see that the RSI went down, whereas during the same time, the price went up if we look at the price chart. Now, if we compare here, if we look at the 21st, down here, the RSI went down compared to yesterday. If we check the price chart, 21st, price was around here and it went all the way up to here. So this is a bearish divergence. I would keep that in the back of your mind, but I personally wouldn't put too much emphasis on this. I think it's good that we did hold this level. So I'm, probably more bullish than yesterday, actually. So let's look a bit more on let me pull up the 1 hour chart. Now, basically in terms of short-term trading, just want to show you another price level that you should definitely keep an eye on. Now, here we can see how we broke this trend or lost this trend. We did hold the support and we shot right back through it, and now we're here, right? Now, basically, now we have to cross this resistance, the previous high, but also, let me see, where do we have it? This previous support basically, which is around the $30,500 mark. We have to cross this in order to be bullish on the short term. If we do manage to do that, price could keep going up and we're back on track. This is it for today. I kept it relatively short. I hope you liked it. Please, again, if you please smash the like button. It helps me a lot. If you do like the content, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell button, ring all to get notified, and also leave a comment. I would be really curious to know if you agree with me, if you disagree, if you have different theses. That's it for today. I hope I see you here again soon.